Yadamu ina masi ya sai twa dwumadie no so ha no sei yebeda Professor EK Wallace yebeda na sese ono nso atimi agya batan no da mai ma men koso nka o say ewie dwumadie na de hia me kase pa so because we Adom TV or multi TV, so it's very, very important. Na me fasa akwanya we so ema amwama hene me man ya akọ ne hyeden hema da form prekope enti na wanima ya akọ anibre na aba enti ya mabusua nyina so hyeden ene ya akọ kesipa enti nyame ya doma na otwe wiye ewo eye Asante Mantem ana sana montuwe ebaso yen hyeden nso ne nkota abusuafo nyina achi titru amwa hene ane maame da for me yenkota omachi na bibibia nko kama emfa emayen ya sai aba ye bedie nkomo ye kasa de mpanyfo atenase nemnyamfo Benjamin aye kane mrashi bedwani upper denchira west watenase menyini se ohia sa introduction no we say yene na hani try na fruma ya yonko fa bibia the times that are tough, times that are good, he's been with us. Every bia so abeto sa friend bia no why crowd say Ghana and common the party in common no why crowd so oni ebedi nti orabo afisha pa akwa abazo ya je di se bibia ye boko
oh na metiasi
bibia kama well dom kuma no so no Era bako yenua ye ofa ye papa ebibia just that na nsemu de ana ene mebi ho keka o ma hye bedwa mu ni ekuti abobi ni nsem bi ho no ma ultim se ya ma manyosem cover the professional exercise the duty so sometimes it's very worrying oyobi onim de be sika sem tutu ya ye be ka se obi hu so okaso okọ pepe e wonim dia nya me dia Adom na manyo sem mfiafia ho a bonso do Ghana broso o hye na manyo sem kontade ne dia ene nya Ghana sem dia ka manyo sem ibya for rich the champion bia east oh Adom fa chebida onim dia dia ne dia ko se akwawa ekwanu media 2 ministers ni mo so omo to one amon na se meboa
oh ba parliament there o si onyesika
oh
enombe
it omo ma okra
David
because catch them said dana koma so na aka say ombe 1 or 2 bi na afi o ma
the last Thursday kramini share say me share of friend me wo fa say
yes
no say na me say wo fa me kwan ya go say mo de ayi amamu no ba wieye odi ba wieye ma at least e bin so me so na mo say so obuame
yes
na after 2024 2025 he take over into
after 2025 mo na mo take over
2025 this he take over
this 2025 7 general mo na mo adwene mu no mo gini
and the Ghana for do nyana can say the savior must come to rescue this nation enti o my baby and you are joined the man mama obey the NDC amanyokun
but I don't know what kasa Brian to abasa and I've been telling you people say enya fair crowd
obi abetimi for form but on me say or different intention and e da say obe contest what I say nti de dodo no omo yedi omanim nyina kan say omo ho no beto mabana den akọ eno nsi obi akwan say mo obi e den enkofa form ne bi democracy what I say but you say the voice of the people are the voices of God. Into the predominant.
No, the Obi and Obi Akwana, a Ashanti region women's organizer, deputies, a co-farmer, Adufua, more sopan or party in the social media. The Obi and Obi.
I know they communicate there, so yeah, war a Asante Mantem Henyanano. Ya for a form way, I'm opinion way, at opinion way. Chum say there be because say, yeah, you call honor. Now come in and they are no info. No
supano san or also Kojino be a cheese and
yes, Ojino be a chin almost.
Rojo Sumon one namsa. Adamo yasa. Namo tia preachy say, Ubia or the SSO. Rojo said this is the time that Dufour should come. Solomon Kansas said this is the time that Dufour should come. Was it won't be that?
Oh, my I'm saying, oh, net and care topic, and I persuade the bad there. A democracy, Ubia no opinion. What I say. me person me discuss senior man Rojo asem e wa fidie so but obi ono so share 2020 elections up to electoral commissions and me see here e copy court what I say into people actually and we can hona
and I see
and
no just
anything ni biscuits and same be a hokoki kan ya na people have the right to raise all those issues but into be so chena dwen or try PCB about other colleague or dika kan ho asem o mani de be 1 month no Rojo na try say and the right so be support to blah 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 how matured our political landscape is evolving what I say into so obi support A or B and so by the end of the day no the best candidate will emerge nyina ya den ebedi nachi democracy mean say wa election akoko me ma call election akoko to da crop na obi crop be fa form gidi form ko submit ntoni o ne kokun to kwa na ti so mon kan sa ne do obi akan bia no omo so right obi are right no era mama we starting a probable voter region we are obekwa that regions kopim say yebetu yaba
now former president mama or acceptable by majority of Ghanaians. I
tell you, and I want to chroma. Who share TV? Baby, obey group the way amount for both MPP and DC supporters. Pejo Monsa, among so you mama obu
more buana manediaba.
Message I packaging the endorse. We share 2020 manifesto na. Na nema bibiri wom. Ban we entimi anko ho. E be sa de foforo so aba be hyem kena. Nti ye tie kire mistakes aban we ye nyina no. There's no way be repeating those mistakes. She reckless bolowi e course yi. Nti o ya ban na saban bobosan de kodu be be ba be ka ho asem. But what I say, as they say, oh, ko China, ko ka kire China for China ban say, the enim sa Paris Club of Creditors China son ka ho. Omon ka ho. Na the enim na ko pa che ma say, ye be debt restoration, mfa ye ka be den emfa nche. China so twetwe no ho. Say first quarter na ke benya MFD no mebo a. They say China meeting na kasa kra be ba so ending of March. Na first quarter na twom. Inti mo be expect say this first quarter no MFD na den. Ibenya sa board approval. They na China twetwe no. China nye Ghana nko no mabo mo bosia. The whole African continent no about 99% omo the China foka. Inta do me to balance so they work catch on so do be a
cash. Be be channel pressure be ba no so.
Inti they are hesitant dealing with Ghana as a sovereign state. And now you have $5.5 billion now. Yeah, debt restructuring. China 1.7 billion. You can't so many 5.5. China 1.7 billion. Until China a key player in this matter. Until key player na China ho. Ona ye nam German forces some copachoma and all that. Then no for we nyina buy. E Bosian na buy ne buy ye can say Bosian no edosun okay Frankie Templeton say me di can buy ye ko to kwa ye ko ye say na
conflict of interest.
NDC for na mo from day one it started cancer same way because somebody was benefiting from the transactions. Montie mo so mo bi anka bi amoye e na nyina bedu bi eden ya ba bedri. They've run all of us into a ditch and all of us are paying for it. Ahochire okrom sikasema hwan ye din nyina no menu ene yetua taxes e kwaso nyina no e ya banwe actions and inactions ba aban no person baji bibia tum aban no sisia no o se eye covid enye covid e Russia Ukraine na okontokwa no nye na o se ne o ma left fan wo afri Russia da ba kromese no onu okontokwa no po no still o ton fan wo dem na wa bomb isi ukrom po no ono mum na o se ntokwa no kunu into ne susan so no ama ho a kire.
So we have arrived at this place because of the
a year one cost of running this government because time of for minister 125 account was no omoka che say by the day no the end will justify the means. What I say a finance person or no your face course onya fa nipa dwuma the condition service in BBS or the man no it for the past 6 years no sa running cost no you fan overhead expenditure they be able to say sika no untimi nwa na free ho na labor law no kire say umo bi adwuma untimi entake decision a ebe worsen the condition of service eti senabra bo na wo fom pe so pagyamu eden e de kosoro oni ye one unnecessary expenditure ba na ye bo se ogiye or the investment and like investment returns aba ho a say ka investment metua bosia na den okwaje ye no oje bosia for consumption populist allowances bi a yesi fa koma manfo to de koma nipa no productivity and support no nti sika na okwaje ye no wakwache sika na adi sika na fanfa so amba ba ndi sikwaje bosia na edi kosi atobo gas no every year nhwe sika yenye free gas ayi produce ya mfa sika na ani wo ye no nti there's investment a correlation with productivity a create employment into time no so kutua sika na betuma nya sika na kwa kutua sano hydro mkwaje bata mo say yesi ebosia ye ken mo say bata this year ya time na so kutua wo refine be yesi okro say boxer be na ya refine in this case no a minister of finance said that epebosia ekutua sano hydro facility no nti say contractors nyina free site draw down on stop go kadada kwa so ntimi ntua enfo from account nti aban the actions and inactions on and
I see. So what is the magic one that is for them? But that you are going to solve all these problems within a 4-year mandate and now you are going to stabilize
you will cut your quote according to your size. What I say? Aban say your agenda 111. We see 111 hospitals. It doesn't make sense in economics. What I say?
The whole sika 7 crown.
When is sika the base? What your mobilization ma contractors? Bebre aji sika na di. Uko site omuni ho. It's okay here. I sabia fine. But ye afibia no na do for year 2020. What I say? We 20 free man. What's about 81? So sika no for ma contractor bi emanen ko say. What me for the pipeline project. What I say? It will share usika sem. No hwe name betima ye. Unfa ministers bebre. Abra omo output no emfa so bia de
emfa so to sa anyom no aban for ministers bebre aban for ministers now from 120 or 110 even in the midst of a year creation of additional 6 regions about 85 the last time I checked if I'm correct and I think I'm correct now more exiting now 86 without additional regions so what you say so mama when you bold and can check Ghana for say yeah for 86 without additional regions. You bad this time round there. You better 50. You better 40.
Or say manifesto mind to don't jump the gun. You no sir. Commitment.
You started about one common no.
But my mention
about commodia crack.
The that 86 no. Go to the ministries. What they say ko.
Yeah.
Your CEOs, deputy CEOs.
Yeah.
A personal assistant. Okay, come in boma. More than necessary.
I don't have a problem.
And also a creative problem. Keta port.
But that's what I make us.
Keta port.
That the minister was here to explain that. You were any part you engage your services. When you want to have a port, you just don't. Oh, sorry, bam. Na port no abisi.
Yes.
Once they are doing feasibilities and going up and down and all those things, there should be somebody to pretending whatever is happening.
But you don't need a CEO to do that job.
Well, then
you don't need a CEO.
That's another matter. So for you to prove to us,
yes,
as in NDC, not for you to prove to us that the you should start communicating those things before it comes to social.
But see now, say nipa be me sana nipa be for na pick up forms. One is all cancer some. See let leader we no leader no communicate sa position say NDC we need 2024 election when am here but when you leader when be communicate
okay
we have for the party but what you say until give the right communication
all right
I be magana for ahun to
so catch them Richard Champion you make catch them say you didn't come oh Richard Champion be that CP oh obo do money be so
Ini kan mekiao ni.
But mekiao majo so far.
Eni minua. E chambo na dwabo so boko de.
Bia
bokro.
Bia. Akwa we dabo awa be wa. Ono chire me say dey dabo. Na miti question is miti asie ya. Bisa no omo
almost your party say
fi asemu
e o dwani be si ma be si
nyentino ogure si na ogure fifie na odi aba be si kwan I mean say do bisa ni alternative ni yede say we say we yes career alternative ni yede party na nkasa party nankasa enni botai bia esi omeni so nti omo twen ne yi
okandifo
leader bi
leader ne
asa na oba beka saa nsem no akira manfo nti all these years na party net wedding
the party should have
bia mo nam a mo ye dede nyina se mo ni anisuade mo bia as a party leaders no they are not selected outside the party so far said the omo records change omo yi nipa 4 out of that party it is part of the party it's a fie na wo free mu no sebe adwen papa bia ni fie ni mu a now so you part of it no oba no you come in empty handed say kofa obi free outside no oba there na come no ya adwen say outside I know the new ideas be ebe fie na so betra ha ja tum say fie ho no mo ye empty headed mu yi one of them one of you no ebe di anima then obeka I thought he said party no must have a position
if you are there we nhihye dada
ye hihye nie ye butai nie se ni se na wo be di anim no nhihye nie dada already no ka fie no ho nti adwen ni ebi ewo if you bia no ka ho and ye formulate na ye you as ebia can for chiame therefore it is a parliament ye koya ko na ko di anim na yasem na
that come had that
ya kan wa fie no fakoto mpanyimfo ni is that not how it works ana
that's correct
but that is NDC for you
no
akonya be tokra say akonya no nhihye
exactly
who dia ya say bia onim dia kaka o ba ka dia wo no amana cost nkai
so be it so na we if you na nkasa na nipa 4 na nkasa nzu film bi no
nhihye bia ni ho
bibia ni ho nipa na wo ba no
nhihye bia
odo no o be fa hihye ba na se na ono no ofi outside na be ka ho ana
okamo dada
ti den na ode be ba ti ye ka chem Ghana for said the alternative ni is scary alternative ni is scary sebi yasi Messi asa na se Ronaldo asa edo tumi hye goals a na nya kwaku menu ne ye de ne kwakọ as a striker
papa so
sasa bonsama wobu ye kan say achacha no eje motia afekra no the worst form of MPP is far better than NDC.
But my words from the Yashia Konfu.
Oh yes, times are difficult. Obi abejatum, times are difficult. Baby you see baby no ma obi betumi aka said be point today say this country or that country there. But
muya ya no mo dwane akose ewiase baby
Debi ete say omahe there's a difference between say bia me name family TV na bia isuo to na meant to me I'm providing a for
shelter.
Yes, I'm a fear for nkuma. As compared to say no abreso isu yiri aba e fa ye nyina de yakọ. That's why you don't blame your father for. Say your father is responsible. Difference room. Is it not a fact? Say as we speak today no. If we are say global economy ni nyina no.
It's a fact also that even
is
after,
it not a fact?
It's also a fact that after I want you to about global economies, some economies are now
picking exactly. So that should be the way to go. You know, you're doing. Say any excuse. Say yes, you're theater. Therefore, you're the appearance here. Until you say you're finding the means to go forward. Now, how do you nipa ya only ideas nibi? Only how to go forward. The crown. Who did that? I mean.
Any no ideas nibi. Ideas nibi ni say. Sika suna ana sika botina moje na biribi ada dwumadi amudi di no emfa so de emre o man de to so biem ene se wuntimi fa nkofo nipa dodo bebre biribi ada ebebu man enso wunsunsu aso no minus wuntimi nda esu ni ban bia di bra wa ban mu na ebe wi achi no emfa so de bia emre o man no nti onipa no giri se so onu timi hye ne ho so na se saa nioma we ono identify was otifi onko ba bia o man no so obana so obayi sia no man nyina firi wa ye wo ban ya
otimi aka Osi ye twema obi mra no ababeka.
Sansa kika sansa me.
Oh kakre ya na hopu ya ni na. So, but I mean, work me ansape. Me try me ansape because they are clean na dey asem. They said they now will try to point things out. Nipa no buy no. yes ministers o say doors at the end of first term numbers say 86 with 6 extra regions. Without the 6 extra regions, now Orani or more ministers than him. So if you want to be factual, where is the moral grounds I would now so and they question the number of ministers be at this today? Today. What tries to obey but drawn attention to it, but still are now dancing around it. Loans. You could loans for consumption. But this now go check the dollar. Busy on boy or a finance person.
As of that time, dollar the baby and age na.
Any baby and age na. A year far more than this year about today. So Bejaka said, oh, it's for consumption. Atuabo gas, this, that. Consumption. We move officer. This is what we soon pass on and they investment. Therefore, for example, Oko spends car ewa cry this year more because all the kuskuya da ben we can da ben
china.
And this is the immediate aid. But as a parent, I know the sky be able to share me ba addition from KG no. Ya de chian me nyaso mfaso. 10, 20, 30 years after and ebia me nyaso mfaso. NDC ehun sa. Atuabo gas. I example ya infrastructure and edition. And no put the dynamic say and even do my see bu because as a member of parliament Mahama na be catch say close engineer they are doing na parliament never
to how be akona on parliament.
Yes, how part onim very well say close e ba ho ni na no and for consumption. E bia won botai e ba so a omoji tu mo parliament ho ansa na ban etumi access here. Do you know say atuabo gas omo eyeku dede President Kufo time you discover oil e wo man mu a empo you discover oil man mu no say enye no kre e ya dwon no typical of NDC at the papa biya ba man mu biya na che say the doomsayers the feel say I say ye botwe ana say we yan wo hye oman no downfall NDC for ye dede okrum say oman we die ye nsem fata say benya oil wo man to the extent say minister edi oil kra ba parliament no omo so original say e ya dwon wakofa dwon we dey from magazine oil fi magazine oja begina be da Ghana fo ene o kan gas ho faso and you know say before President Kufo be kono ehihye na ya ye dia to ho oil na ye betu ne gas a ye benya dia film. Is it Trinidad and Tobago? No, one of this islands Jamaica side home. One of them enim said ye gas so adwuma pa na san hihye ni nyina ho mo baaye no man yusu no afa nya adwuma ska na osenke de hye atoabo gas mu besia also onkobom ke na say about 900 million or so at the same time kobo besia de koye yo at the same year no these people spend over 1 billion paying dubious judgment debts. Dubious ones, not the genuine ones. If you police car, say police cars, nam krumi. If you insurance in who, take a book become man. I say, could probably be officially or see a triaka. General there's allowed. You make provision for it every time. But dubious ones,
suspicious.
Yes, suspicious.
Dubious.
It turned out factually, say dubious judgment debts. I tweet you or meme was about 1 billion plus. When we could have used that to construct that trouble gas, we preferred to use that funds to pay dubious judgment. No more project business and the above that project. And now what say man to them from. When we talk about agenda 111 now, I say
minim o se ehun hia nemum ne dodo no ebra esi kasem wo fom.
At the time, minim say bia ne ho no e bia mo district hospital. Etino ohun so mfaso. When they were talking about 200 free e-blocks. Na Ghana enough cash. conceptual say ubenya idea no kra no good enough. And we said there's a gap here, there's a need here. It you feel it. You starting to one among say mpo yentumi nwie ni nyina prekope a ye koye nim no we need to construct 111 hospitals. Now ye adwuma no e de kakra. Nobody took them on. Nobody questioned them when they said they were going to construct blocks, secondary schools, day schools, 200 because we first said there's a need for it. Omokono we say 27. It's 23. World Bank officially a year 20.
Yeah,
20 something. You can see man about
40 or 49 back.
40 over 200 percentage mark me. 40 over 200. It's about 8% or 10% or whatever.
That's all question. That's all question about agenda 111. No. So mo kwa mo de
mo fi say wantumi anye ntene say wo so wantumi nye.
Ba mo de o check.
O mo de kra na normal times. Nti na me kire say Ronaldo awasa kra.
Me na fe ni kokumen.
De kokumen say wantumi shegu aye say kofa kokumen na nkonko she. Normal times are not basa BNC bebia the world order bebia was in order World Bank kra sade omusika be support ebe mu no. Omutumi see just 40. The idea, you see 200 was brilliant because Ghana we need we need more than 200 secondary schools. Do we need 111 district hospitals? Yes. It's all better. Now I can say, oh, because you can say day schools to me and yet good say, Obeka said yeah, so most 111 hospitals preoccupy. So
okay.
But going forward, said American. Ahochiraba oman ba bia wo no enye obi ade enye obi afe ana mo ben na ye betu e de ayede afiri oha no de waye bi pen no do wawe da Europe no o ka se obawe aba na ka na yini na chinye oman ndis de ko hepic no president Kufo bae no
mo wana mo declare oman hepic President Kufo.
Masa, said the minute can you're finance person. Wouldn't say, and yet, no, and you declare the country
the state of affairs of
the state of affairs.
Where you take over
the data at that time when the Bemaka say, where you're epic, and I say, yeah, epic. It's not politics. Because data now on the better say, who qualify, oh, you're epic, and I say, oh, yeah, epic. So, let me tell you. Anna, you're buying you to me, as you share your money, Yana. Yes. It me share. Ya di share omonsa bio. President Kufo buy nyoma bi tise ono an ni koko jamani ni nyako e de koko areas. Share ya under then koko board chief as he say. This is to akwamu ni ade. Ya buy say free home a chese koko input no. Eko about 1 million no. On be je ho samra ni ade ye ho de there so mo na ama koko tonnage no akwa about 1 million. Forgetting say as because she share no.
E dia bedu sa pepe.
E dia bedu sa no. Ye free o man mu. Ye free o hawa am de ko enu. E say jaw oil all these kinds of things. Nti Ghana ye GDP e cost pa again oil na esum fa so buy under they are watching. Under Prof Mills. Ya me fa the crazy. Na ye GDP growth you jump ko 14 ade. Ska befie nyafu mismanaging nyoma omoko no masadi akwa jaye IMF bi ye san baaye ni ye sabe take omen from IMF o hwe hye sade to form ko step by step ena or therefore COVID ne Russia Ukraine war edom ho ebe bomu a nyoma aside yakọ from kakra
na mo de sa
eti come on so no dey
as you say you don't know the impact
ono dey so I didn't who be boom it is also the track record of these two parties say ana these two parties no why na indeed akwokyere ba otumi de obetumi de nhihye ato ama ye free sa o ha no mu nya make progress a eti nie bi ani
all right we go try that say the music say impact na ni ode hwe mu no
now
yeah kwa da mo nyina ma say sister Fati woton baskets Bolga also say o hwebi ti wo so da say ona na supply minim de dey we fugu bebri ba na de be batakari dey ye to ka sister Fati so e che Bolga fo nyina monko so na mo so mo hwebi mai we are back. Honorable Iowa has Honorable Richard the champion. So Honorable Muzo Church will be Richard champion. Quickly, they are in common. So,
my answer, the way I
church in your promise, your man and no church.
My main chair, I am in Pesha Sophia, because starting commenting man chair, my chair, I be East and be West, and Western North. So, I'm saying last year, soon as be a nomination.
Ubi fine.
For now, the name say Ubi Afabi.
No, we confess say they do this.
Also on fire, and now they are.
Oh, my father,
Chroma and party for now, and Gina and Chisel.
Yes. Also, this time, so no, yet they're online. And to be credited to my father, you knowing.
Yeah.
And they drew the date of submission now. And on that data and bachelor's as soon as they are
in two actually.
We both club of Fabia on submit. And so no dear. Now, because they unfinished business be
Mako online.
Oh yes.
I think one of the things
digitalization agenda is abo
but we agenda no. But we digitalization.
But me the telephone back room say.
And then who benefit by we am.
Every time I say account management team. They said I'm say obi ahead of account management committee.
I like what you say about it. Only the evidence.
I come by there. Omuja who say ohia Hey, lonely. What I say? Yes. I say no be a giant. Any problem people was this year. I want to take responsibility. What I say? I accept it. So okay, times are hard. Ye name about community and be a year. Ye any year. Ghana for mon franchise going forward. No, better to name a year. About say na for benye GD a woman. What can say 86, 85 now? What is the moral justification? I so also compare cost of running the government. What I say, Office of Government Machinery. If I compare previous administration, net is saying. Necessary a small canning in a baby, no one catch a Ghana for say, you didn't need so way, and ever assistant assistant. Am I a brabo, Eden, a tumpon, who here, you soon your name. The opinion also COVID, and I then Russia, Ukraine. COVID is certificate of my vessel. And yet, China, it could nip millions of people. What I say? More economy no came to a standstill because production and so lockdown so. Ghana nipa say na we COVID. Nipa say na COVID affect omo. Now no kupa na COVID starting krom ekun nipa millions and millions and then na wodi na chi some for kanche. Yes, COVID by. COVID e won impact. Russia Ukraine war no so ye impact. Obi say say na wo so hye wo niam asen. O man you to asema making say. Now we don't my team would about what the engine from so. Ye come in no yamanfo external factors. Now catch say this address no how BNC. Commodity prices we are what na omra she bedwam. Fan go bo na send the share budget team any the near turn a German boss na say gold price na say cocoa price na say ni nyina affect your budget. What I say?
Gold price. What I say? Yes, I know mem na yemo andamo.
Make tama ko say okasa
low as 40 to 20 barrels. The cheapest. Administration.
Ye call
so bisa question na me ma.
Ye call MF 2015. Mo bem say extend program no for another 2 years. Na there enye no o extend. Mo extend MF program for 2 years. Care ye jaba 90 million. Only $300 million na ba ndi say abreso. Ni nyina ma abreso na ba ye. Yes, some of 2 Air Force. Sikabe gumu something there's no tomorrow. Yes, says the kind of woman. Me just saw Casafa say, and judgment that na court or hoyer day. You have the Omasha Monsa 6 years, 7 years. So be it you dubious or you saw dubious judgment debt. That's one to and a mobile 100% what you say. Now, but my show man so.
If indeed it was dubious.
If indeed, dubious.
What
I say? It is 6 years. It is 6 years in the ultimate anamobia. Now, no COVID, or test the general report. COVID, Sika, Yakwaji, say, or be a UNICEF, almost a vaccine.
The breakdown.
Almost only 40% of my supply that kind of way. And you are watch.
So almost see storage facility. Paid in advance.
You paid in advance.
When they need it, they will bring it.
And Auditor General is saying, let's go and recover the money because almost 60%.
Well,
yes, you are
must start a war of panion still. So you have to also put in that. The entire embassy didn't come on as Ghana for no. Because Namia don't have power. You the same measurement.
See, can you
alternative ni say come on come back ko jiva since nya be gu amu ni so na be say
disagree to that.
Mama procurement issues. Mama procurement issues.
No, mama
best practice.
It's not to hold brief.
Na be say
we establish we know what's about. It's not to hold brief for ade bi e to senior ye na betima mbo amana yi. But mo adwini mo say esan se bra no mo to ade na aye ade a aye ti say agudie bi aprapre aman na epre no na mo nse ni storage na hu hia say won de sika koto ase na bra won hia no o magi ba obi ba disagree.
And I make just a COVID by other countries left a vaccine free. What I say until you look at your capacity. What I say, you put a margin of 10 or 15. You don't go 100%. Okay, because a Western year been to a margin of 10 or 15. That risk now will come myself. You don't go the full haul of 100%. Many say, who I don't bonibita will tell my neck. And your prudent management of scarce resources. Some times the Kenyan Adamo means me need a year storage facility. Who does that? Who training you now? Na
because they're highly competitive.
Vaccine akasa bokropon. So spoon the kofa hu sensem ba ekopon. Look at the pricing. Corruption ketase channel proye and na be baby e ba bedru sisi. Eti ye ka monyin to say yes ye ni ye bi den amwa de ekosu. Eti Ghana for ye nye ni na to make catch say Russia Ukraine e COVID mo de monye boni bia. Ti say MPP about 7 years no omo decision bia no be bia ba bedru. The SCBI Russia Ukraine.
The admitting that COVID and Russia no impacting. And so omo jitum so omo ankasa na montuo bi omo tu so.
You and I know. You and I know.
Yes, omo so jitum say.
Yes. So that you get a buy-in. And now we say we hear that restoration. I'm not fun omo born. Be unye sika mfa mo. Show leadership. Cut your expenditure. It is also buy a discipline in terms of economic management. Who can be a bit? No man pay higher look pre na wiem. Ya ko concern the comfort. Wait my fresh up me boa. Saka na no ye trace na so my am pay no the leadership style no on sign. Na expenses all year appoint na no kopa ye kase nyina was appoint another minister of state. Obi amwa. Obi a deputy minister. On some minister of state. In charge of local government. What's our director of communication at a presidency for local government? Omo nyina nyakete no mo de adwuma pa na local government mo ye. Your middle belt, your coastal authority, your not authority. Omo nyina de adwuma no mo ye. Ka we nyina ponent mi fa koche local government say and cut it down cost. These are some of the things you got to say new NDC no ye ba ye de betu to kwama na made asesa. Me ka jana one kan wasem no. Say the concept alone no laudable. Fantastic. But when your concept asem na kan no we actualization of the project because one no what to mobilization am nipa ni nyina
ebinom
about 99%.
Ebinom
oba me constituency
they are trying to communicate wholesome.
Your data no.
Oh, of course.
Now no a head committee as a call round.
Yeah, came no. Nyoma miensa.
Yes.
The asase manso abaso ewo ho. The yesasesa plan no ewo ho. Ana the etua sikama contractors are on for any tete kura emma site so ewo. So these are the challenges. The other ones no are at various stages and I'll pull that one out for you.
You can't various stages. I hope me constituency. Omo de chance age site no ho.
At various stage.
Omakra spending. So just no na everything. So only stage 1 say grand zero.
Good man. We are just young grand zero.
Oh my. When you now me draw me show man now me run and now you come to me.
They are real stage.
Well, when we no a cabo. They must say what concept no idea and say you basic 111. Na mom ye 10. Asan when the benye sika obi adu ni problem. Mama yesan ko ya asem so. Unum say finance minister ye twe na oba amna hye bedwam no. Okaje says your mom kuta bond government bond no pensioners and other individuals no. A voluntary. So it is our some use no. Into what one tender or bond bia no. O time no so a coupon no interest e be then you be tria ma what is our communication
This your my ATS main eduma na
there be orientation I don't know
that you know here
I do
not see that
but yes
I say gamma me ti we ni fi Azani ATS main discussion
Azani ATS main
no dey
trotto na won tie no wi na wasa to
ye bon
trotto
yama paper ne pen o man omo de so 6th of February and 20th nyane be send intimi ntu omo ka
na say the 13th ya make communicate am o enye no free ho
o man me che say aye afterthought original communication ni chere say original communication mo ta mo so ya na e betu amamo omo gina from the house don kuma cross be debate okay say a voluntary wa wan forward dia ma bia no your money will be paid to you okay say sonyo go say be issue statement say time na so
omo ko check your accounts
we no na say be issue another statement say time na so sika no any account no minister a spokesperson for the ministry I don't know because also automatic a collation for individual bond holders what I say about when no ye be sha say I debt restructure ka chere say minority you see that policy be at the haircut beba omo panyin na ka say wan so mo bia be jere say there will not be any haircut meboa e baya na say ama
ewom
enti aban enka ne kora nkyere atimamfo na ye be da nyegide was aban we die na aban ne di se menu mi no man na wa hye me bo say o ta mo so ye wan so be kan sika me obi dey so 6 e be dey so 20th na was say issue statement say this 13th of March no dey be da 13th na di 6 no kwa manye ni 20th na anye yi na be da 13th of March na magie di enti aban ene ye no e mani panya hotoso
gidi ne sha
obi twen ne de ne 6 de akoto na duro ye bi school ne one prospectus ekuta nkura no
yeah
sa semo ma won se no permit some so much state ya anya careful kroma say another guys of free education twesika agi fra wo fo
ekomdodo that's true
enkura to dry land
akasha maka any am say den mama fa lesson ni chiro the paint any nyina
na be kan bom na nche school fees na akra ni chanda da
in fact I've paid 2 ba ko ye normal control ba ko ye 3,800 ba ko ye 4,200 the any board dey pay 5,000 something these are
I Daniel
normal ya
mama church
official from
from where school no
GS4 kratam dia GS4 kratam dia babonti no say about to my attention say sukuu mpanyimfo bi ejiji nioma outside the required a year omo GS4 dia mom nti omo hwe na omo ndi system from that adena and na me make the kratam no buy no omo amoa eche say be madaroma mo na mo nim the requirements as schools na mo dia mom nti o say ka mo attach those requirements but also omo to sin wo honti no omo jema ma eneme mo for ase for maka no top box be 3 me ko bo mo school ni din ma top box be 3 na maka no mo for ase the market ko yede akasha or the ko yede paint or the ko yede so those are the lapses kakra aba ezo komo chiri mu
no sa na bana technocrats no try to exploit the situation.
Exactly, the situation.
They are also politicians. Yeah, they be football.
Behind the scenes, honorable, what the headmasters and there are 3 headmasters. Yeah, conversation we could see so and Badwam so. What the headmasters they can say, government has fallen short of certain responsibilities.
The lease is in court.
It's what they have done is rather to cover those lapses to suit us as a country, not even as a government. Because when they buy as a government, their parents may disagree to that responsibility. And nunti a cover up for us, but a very painful cover up.
You have about for creating a fight, say even free ones at the moment, you be free.
Exactly.
And the uncle to a year, no pronounce Sako.
Oh, Sako.
Listen, be beside the man.
Oh, listen, baby.
One long scrubbing brush, one short scrubbing brush.
Yes,
There
be unique ones, need be not to say. And you condemn one.
Okay. But see one short broom and dustbin. I probably thought dustbin. One more bucket, one ceiling brush.
That's it. We are specific. Say, brush.
Yes. One mop, one dustbin, one ceiling brush. Who know auto ceiling brush? Dry land. Can occur.
Baby, I'm happy.
To told you, oh, for
and you been a day politics because by the end of the day, no schools in no a come under Ministry of Education.
Yeah,
and there's a political head over there. And on my kind, you know, school placement, you know. I don't think it me choose schools as I could be a penny grade as all.
Yeah,
we no, who download I have results no BBano. Then the requirement, no, and a prospectus. Yeah, attach them and say, when I said that I saw the school. The other side, you know, so say, I buy some for Sikane. Headmaster better run the school. Or no, some for quite detergent, you know, to be. Oh, quite a ceiling back in the school, dear.
Mr. Akasha,
so because I'm not the Akasha. I know the whole.
Yeah, but bathroom, Akasha. It's a lot of Akasha, the Beko.
May see a fin rate, course a minia. So come on, for
so, but I say the Ukrainian, this one prospectus here by the I put you in. You know, I don't know, I'm GS for 90 men, could draw and straight to the point that this is what we have told the school.
Communication company are wrong. Because they shouldn't charge unapproved fees.
Which ones are the unapproved ones?
Publish the approved ones for us.
That's the point. I know that's what I mean.
Headmasters also challenge you say.
Yes,
we don't have the resources. So provide the resources for us to make the difference. All the program, but that's a program. One sanitize program now. But then the intent purpose on the but Osanka. When you know how Nipana Casano, Nisiko da Coma Bana, Banso, a Tamnas one farmer, no could any best school fees. On for money train a Kessica. Sikan and can you? What's a for bed the way said about between Panaso? They will counsel me and cut on mine. 80 I said a bank catcher said, were default. The repayment of principal and then the interest of a bondholders. Proper communication, but many you know, you want to also. And he said, "Oh my, a minister, Chelmaka Kojimedru. Not a buying a Yesican mammy, and as a community. You
look elsewhere.
So, Bosia, nobody came to my name on that. But before I buy because a bad year risk free no be a name that, and it will be a denissicated a question. Now, no more could have more no one no more. Because almost a man for motion. Yeah. Almost free. It is a breadwinner. Oh, fear. Now, or call pension, Sika can in summer, and an audition a busaka cranas abandoned for one with one. The end of the I buy a busan for a man for the Beman. Who create say, oh, by that restoration, Nasa, who raise another bond. Nipa bed, and ya, I want to show women my baby to economy, don't crash economy. So, these are some of the things that. And then, of course, I can was some, and no one communication be a Minister of Finance. I'm engaged Price Waterhouse, Coopers. So, assessment about the ministry. And to be a bear 101, so to no more engage be online for service delivery. They almost bought more than. Would you want man for when you can to also engage consultants or assess Minister of Finance, the way I'm Mojuma? May the letter no, I can say me boom timaka. Dear Coso Kruma, no. Obi abo bo se konye second
year. But remember sir, you know.
Then no hu. DNC I will say wo engage
restructuring o ha na.
Any letter had me the onim say o man me no isi so no kra na me dia be see ene.
Okay.
Any letter ni.
For letter there, mine.
Ministry of Finance, dear sir, Madam, survey on assessment of Ministry of Finance service delivery performance, 27th of February 2023. We write to inform you that the Ministry of Finance has engaged PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, as independent survey analyst to solicit feedback from various stakeholders of the ministry. This exercise is aimed at soliciting for opinions and views from various stakeholders on the overall performance and direction of the ministry, as well as help improve service delivery. To enable PwC perform this assignment, the engagement with key stakeholders will be done through survey and one-on-one discussions, among others. The survey will be administered online, over the phone, or in person as in your preference. As a stakeholder of the ministry, your honest feedback on the survey is very important to the success of this assessment. Attached is a copy of the questionnaire for your kind attention. Really.
That was going address to mine.
It's addressed to PricewaterhouseCoopers. For further clarification about the survey, please contact blah blah blah.
Not provide all those information. So when because I don't know.
And no cross you another matter. But I cannot verify.
I'm telling you, sir, me. Yesterday, I did my mechanic videos, and you're not going to come.
Patrick Nimo, Chief Director. They say Patrick Nomo, Chief Director for understand carry, understand don't know understand carry. The character must be signed. But my cousin,
as a character, genuine.
For further clarifications about this, but for further clarifications about this, please contact Edina Twatwason de Limbo.
I didn't know. So you must show
a public document.
Public document.
Now then, I know I
don't know what he did. What did that money?
How did you do my money? I don't mean
what did
you know? The account name, person, not so
much. Letter. Public document, yeah. I mean, what is that?
Well, the money you come generating to some about what we did.
What?
Wrong. Baby, who are you?
But what is the motivation? The omochore said to ensure say omojuma say this one as a day.
Na me kese mira wo mu nankasa no. Amanfo wagijom sika kro onye sika ntu.
Say be omo assess adwuma ne modern ba right. Omo kwa omo say adwuma ne modern sin to abem. Say be a omo person obi an independent body. Intimidi nkomo one on one through the means of makana.
Ye jina nkran ne ma yetutu nkran ne. Ye jina nkran ne yetutu nkran ne. De wo kuta kra wontimi handle nwie. Mpa chota say.
But we dey on hold kakra. Me ma adwene mu die nka me.
And no that no issue a letter one date na what.
I'm say nka on hold.
Yes. Nka that restructuring kwa we domestic no we or no. And e be hopo na be okay program ye. When you na ne ye kwa ye for so ye say o mani sika ye kan wasem. Now we are business alternative way. Alternative ne say nka ye nye sa ne ma we mu nyina. To save cost. Ne nye sika and then amma SHS no say school na ye bie no na ye fa beden koto afo mon koto dry land en koto akasha wo se ho awan
akasha adwa
into my the we are MPP for do my we kon wo dey say wo ye business man wo si kroma wo nim say the name ko and no be the pictures be kire me e wo tema port container terminal ho
sad
empty
sad do na so ko aban ho no because amafo so ntimi enya cash.
That's the point.
Yeah, turn them the crowd. I humped.
And to show volume of traffic and never hope.
I'm for Jan, I'm wrong.
I don't know, you're not the what I say?
So, the about the
what I say? Traffic and never want traffic and never want and then generate revenue at the map. What I say? Interbank more now, revenue generation, so I affected.
Yeah.
Over travel because in Russia, Ukraine, and your decisions, and then be
yeah.
Into my name cry. It's ye pay. I send be a free MPP for no market say. Ye didn't share ABCD when they to come. Now, Sanchi share no, and the memo man then I can't kind. They say money that's when you say a call IMF of $3 billion. Look at the budget. Bank of Ghana. I printed about 41 billion Ghana cedis. No, the support about and no, not 41 billion Ghana cedis. Abra I think the West a bit my 5% of previous year GDP. No? 41 billion and more, and no printing mom. Now $3 billion on my hand, saying. I get 36 billion, if I say 12. Now more 41 billion and save the situation. Now 36 billion, no, on upon you better. Then about your it's your problem in your IMF. A self-discipline, corruption, and a saban way, Ujai.
All right. Hey, now we also missions are. When you already feel the podcast,
we have a second phone.
So it's because an alternative no yes carrier. It be new. Time when you match I see or somebody say what is our prescribed one solution. What is it?
The challenge is already being in Chester, Jaisadian. Now, Jaya, we need a boy.
The next alternative
60% can an alternative.
Please. 0% Gabe.
The Montema UNICEF, no auditor general report, man, come as a man.
Maybe one can't.
Oh, my.
Maybe auditor general report, there be no names, there are several public accounts committee to pay. So, when I see a fear, necessarily no man come from the beginning. So, be fair. Actual profession rather than party. Who say a new man ya woman be brave and yet your ma a scar and yet corruption related and it's animal man. And if you cry me kai, I'm saying before parliament that incident you see. One of my citizens, Mammy B had to rush down there and I'm a boy. Okay, that's story. Mammy B are now more a class of matronus, yes, part of
story
no say no I retire immediately and then accounts no be public accounts committee no while they are sitting no and I'm the back up the woman drove straight to parliament and she was given a hearing how no be take you on I said no as man go for you can just it happen all the time Our auditor general's report, if we do parliament, why do we do this citizens? Why do we do it publicly? Any man be brave, a man for be taking auditor general on. And my menuna, you bit media that say it, a movie are corrected at that place. And you may be home or cap channel, as a beer scale, for example, a beer. You first even tax, if you're so falling end of month. To say can they say I 28 but the regulation maybe also could tax $20 20 CDs by 28. It could be say on your way to the bank in the crowd BBS and now you pay the BBS into one to me uncle 28 and then that be Tuesday. But I did say in our first what the general back 28 no
what capture
say one to ya
but what could you
me what could you on the first. And so, by the
only no, exactly. So the report in the call.
No, the aba. We assume, hey, says Cano,
Wadi,
I'm going to task us to your ground. Ewa bra, ukita, details now. And so, for politics, until we can be now, up in picture as if says getting nice car. And ewa bra, do one sometimes, and yeah, appropriation, misappropriation. If you want misapplication. Humans as we are, even at our personal levels. Et to the beer, we see a beer there to say, Seska we dear. To say me dear day, me the two horse, me the better sassy, and now me the be talk car be an at the basic film. Would you man now, baby, I are be boom.
Until you have to.
Was all Debbie says, Kayania guy, a decotas as he did with the infant to see a medical bills. About accounting principles there, yeah, because why a day. What's a scam? Because it was meant for assassin. And now that way be. Yes, it is like say what's a scam? And so indeed, Dodi and also equally important. It is auditor general report. A bad nice play politics for near the Betnay and say yes. It's also a fact that not corruption related issues. And those are the ones now I was said this time I was starting yesterday charging. I support it 100%. So dream nikata should be a fra there. Those ones, you should go after them. To say there, what you media, who be the man, a could be a court. any other ones to say omo ayi mami anu no ayi sedinam maslock dream go pp mu asisi e wadwane a chese yehwe no memkura yi hu omekodi adanse e ba no nya da dom ha chiroma ye bi dinasemi those ones no we should go after those individuals are many problem but one nimpa say do na ya na issues are which have been even resolved and sana reports required by parliament but for the way omo your measurement now going back to issues yeah na am say omunni points and as omunni e papa bia nti no bo say ohurufia ohurakusia no this was started with COVID though and all the back government expenditure cuts nhia no we dey akowuram sa debt you know na am say na ye ko ha na say ko ofiri ho mo na we dey aba be pie free SHS and you may think to Tonya the idea of finance ministry letter be and work of Adiaba. Issue be now or discuss here. COVID debt. Or say China krana ya gini fi hon. Nipa 9 million then also a wuyen. Omokrasi ni say. Inti na wow nipa bebre ewu. Inti yemmo ya se ma China so omotena ho ma omgo for do na wuye. Compare the two. The otumi tutu anamo bi ma so si owu anu kwan no ufi se ono ayem fumso enti yem ko sun rada emwa de wantumi antutu anamo bi yi ama ne nkofo dodo na ewu that is the alternative for you it is like yet nase
and you won't ase
of course penny argument awo ye wa ha no
we the deductions
omo no kra omo nipa 9 million ne ade wu ye no say ni na wo de unipa 1000 wu ya o sise e na make sure say eti say NDC a kom betina ho say China nipa 9 million wu na o say Ghana for so 10 million ewu ansa na yetumi yesu ye fi say no ye ma ye nipa enwu nti anamo bia o say yetu to reduce the death impact owo ye ma no so no ye betu sa anam ummo wo sem masa aban no rather point your finger at Ubia watching how many padwana ewu man. Who told you say Ghana yamfa the right measures and new place and can you to be anyhow? Is it not a fact? Bill Gates in the wife near that were they not expecting say can be Africa there? Can Nipano you be wusem once and another can you go about it? Was that not the case? Was that not the thinking of the whites?
They're thinking.
It's only a baby. No to me she no more year. Na dia projections and ka brofo kura expect say ka be du Ghana dia nipa nke be wu ni egu abonte say once na sa ba bi tutu na mo bi na sa wuo na ama ummo sem masa aban abetena say ya hwe obi kura ni nipa wu dodo na alternative ya o de ba no to wa ka abetena say I'm not surprised because under their watch common cholera ho aduro fa infitire ya akra benya aduro ni biato no Accra ha cholera outbreak by nipa about 240 something died in Accra under these NDC guys. Common cholera. Accra and quite kum nipa over 243. It be sound say any esenka we num ene ho ena COVID yi by dia. Nka said na brofo no fi say e be wu egu mountain no ke be chance alternative ni scary and empty. Now I say is it not also a fact? Say anything be a basic as long as most of your imports near the day, you can't feed those places at the ban. Say your two-store bimu, factory bimu, our China, US, or any of these places are it's a fact. Way basic. You don't need class one a book grad one kind
because you can't see a foundation
and solid. To the extent say ye nyoma dodo na ye krafi sa krom no sa nipa na wo kokra nyoma fi ho mo no wonya okọ ha bi mu na oto no ayi bia mu a obenya sunsunsan so wo so ji say obi abegina aka ho asema cho say effect na say ye nipa emu ya boy ho ban all right anamo papa etutu enti ye nkofo emu na emom enyoma boa be ye de ha enyoma say ni because enyoma ba bia anke kofa enyoma no fi no either say omo a shut down. And I said, is it also a fact? Say, because of that, granting container shipping a cost. And cost. Nina cost. So I who said, Nka entimi nyansun sans be our hamwa. Me to us ya, and ye. Now, these vaccine issues, yes, alternatives. Adrian ni back for tree. Nipa say, hey, Adrian no why scarce. This yakonya bidia. Me deposit, me tria scaring to. And yes, I be a bra me hiano. Minya, because I'm for kita umusika kesi omode ko. Ya bedru baby ebi ho dia. Me so me pese me nkrofo be wu bebre. Tie de me tria. Na mmom baby amedi begu die. Ebi ni ho sisi a, bi ni storage. Na metria ka no. Keep it as and when I'm here. My baba Jim Adi. Alternative ne say, Kietiari dear, Yenjini Nameguha, Yentumian, as it happened in other countries. Is it Tanzania, one of these East African countries? Vaccine put the eco chair woman. Because a rate and nobody air vaccination, and content omuni proper storage. And put the eco chair do not expire. If you do baby, say, okay, so moon to me, you should be yes, I'm imagine film or the country for. Alternative nature say kayan jimegu kruma nan say in that case na ke besa ayede ahwere yesika because nipa na ayede or the amount already wo na wantumi an store it is say there usika no so ahye yen we felt say no or no storage facility no yentua ka na enwu ne ho na asen when na hia na yeje we ubufa so sa measures yi nyina any take into the impact as far as human lives are concerned, it will manage in better than the so-called even advanced societies. We now but now obey the say COVID
okay.
Oh,
okay. If you
on brand the mentis anu wi ansa na matie si dem you know nkasa. Ozo commercial bakery bad dia.
Me go try mo ba.
Because me start in 2 minutes.
Me go try mo ba.
Me start na 8:20 na.
Me go try mo ba. You time keep person.
Oba na mato aso.
Me go try mo ba.
Because ma oye ya me say mame empty fan o ka say there be. Not see main topic no.
No problem.
Okay.
Ye kwa ba obonya kwanya. Ye kwa ba. Kyle say obenya kwanya ama wo so atima che wadwene pay for your so but happy birthday enkoma ID and Ida Opoko Ajiman mo Our Lady of Apostles School wo Ayensan Kumasi. So ID and Ida Opoko Ajiman mo Our Lady of Apostles School wo Ayensan Kumasi 13 years wo JHS 1 it's a happy birthday so kunam de mam and happy birthday to Ina is it Sashi of Idela Community School, Lashibi Community 20. Oyamin Shiramu na on Shemode na Maufos Omodomodo, Mr. and Mrs. Sashi and the Ajiman family and Omudiwe at the Abba. So that's it. On the brighter side of life, Damin Kosoma Amwama Hene on also Yako. Yaba back to studio. We will clear off the last topic, but era I saw back with the last issue about discussing the minority is really up on this matter of Ghana Card, Electoral Commission, and the National Identification Authority. It is uncommon here to wrap up the conversation. We need open your interest because you're about to bring ma. Oh.
Jako breaks are enough thoughts no.
I am you.
Na start. Start for Friday. On the issue of expenditure cut.
Yeah.
You see, opinions are like noses. Is it in terms of the numbers, mathematics, accounting wise, no? And government you are cut down expenditure and some cut. He's done it. 30%. To the extent that, Master, we share union, especially DCs and other people. Almost soon.
Yeah, almost.
Almost salary near the idea, I cut 30%. It be take home pay, CCR, the account, and yes, papa. And so, Monday. And so on said, Ghana for no, it be any especially in this when they push that agenda. It's as if say a business as usual. Maybe perhaps instead of saying buying a reduce almost salary by 30%, maintaining salary no and reduce the number. Now, if you can be satisfied, at the end of the day, can be achieve the same purpose. And I'm a
is our cut?
Yes, so nipa 100.
Back who are only
nipa 100, and almost 100 CDs. It was cutting it down, I'm sorry, no, by 30%. Now, almost just 70 cities. And a nipa 100 ni na down war. Into a man for Gusu complain. He said, and now you are not showing leadership, you are not showing leadership. Is it possible, say, and Cabino, instead of cutting 100 salary by 30%, could be reduce the nipa from 100% to nipa 70, no matter almost 4 salary. In terms of accounting wise, the same 70, and so a Bianca, Yenuanum and this for others out there now, who said indeed they have been cut. Who said numbers now but down by 70, from 100 to 70, a Bianca will be okay with it. But it's up to us, also to be pushy. More man for so tears say yes, indeed the numbers down 100. Now so payment are air reduced to 70. So where Obi Amwa this year issue yeah. Besides Obi ya Martinkwa. Wabre or the deputy minister 4 times our brainy deputy. In terms of cost, one CD cry MMK. Because Obi still receives his salary as a member of what? Parliament. And yet nyam share. Said the nipa at least you know, you feel good, no? And no pet and a brother can't Obi there. Because already this parliamentary as a sitting member of parliament. And your central government netrianica, and your dear, yes, Akofaka will be Yamano, and your dear, yeah, command if you will be Akotrim, and your dear, you know, and so out there, no, see, I'm penty picture near. I'm for to be like, hey, I say, yes, I did minister for the grass, I can't say, I see a tone, yeah, sometimes, you know, the way I go about some of these issues, perhaps a bit better. Personally, I don't see why, Ministry of Chieftaincy, ne. I will say, yeah, Papa, if you say, you know, I did in your some about as I question, me, if I were the president as our ministry, say, me take advantage, emanate house. So, and you say, local government minister, I make us say, I won't take care, and I say, whoever be caretaker minister, yeah. You know, but I'll say, yes, no, echo ye. That a year or Kikan all kinds of things. Hey, and this is for I will now throw to be a young good see a Bekoyachi. Meaning, if you are no Sakakra. Yet, the near a year second in Kai 50 CDs, your Mutia, I wish 50. Yes, some doing the Ghana for short memories. Omo the Umunya Quenya, Omo G. Sikanaka, Fiscal cash away, wow, 50 CDs. Up to now, that time schoolboy made me 100 CDs, 50 CD note me, you know. Mensan can't be up to there. What did you have for Sika and cry the month? Now, I want to about man. And I buy say, say. Oh, me come and say,
revolution, I somehow
that now you nipa. Me and I'm a student at that time. At that time,
democratic dispensation. You want to live in the past?
I'm not living there. But
but okay, I would say,
to the extent said the all try to be so no alternative. No,
tradition
that's the former president Tuja. On this said the UP tradition go blah blah blah.
Yes, which is good.
Yeah.
Find a truly man.
History.
Find a truly man about.
They can't dead resurrection.
Yes, I want to
bread and butter issue.
Yes, it is. I'm saying, I'm just to the extent say CPP in the Tianka, I will think of a mouth. And as a PNC, even the Tianka, but to the extent, I will piano person, you almost say, or me better. But the Mojiji is a kind of man farmer. Who can say a revolution time? More clear out, another time now, you're less imam than we are today. I'm not sure, but yes. I say, a crowd man in coffee to home. Wako in future home. Abuana Kokan. Are you sitting down as a parent into Aswadi into Umwiana? No. I was what attend to Akran. I'm watching now, baby. I could see a quite benny a befasu. Also, you living in the past. Yes, Minister. initially no at the key position you go through the cycle now I refine the original position now you still have problem with it. Society is dynamic. Humans, we are dynamic. Timidity be bad, we do be bad. I'm say na beboa. Next year no ye further consultations. Ni who say okay, there be a dey say finally no beboa na. Ni move post no call the new position now. You still go back to the old ones or back for now say. I dey not say anything say you can't say. Any master. Now they are going to pay the people. Okay? We say these days to sacrifice and easy there. And easy. But people sacrifice as anti-form credit the man confess yes for the sake of
for the sentiment
and now you can't say for boy with a crowd
a doctor very much suffer Chinibu Akudia Kumo woman here and pay yachio
so sacrifice a man for to me here at the G or mine. But any day, meaning I will not do it. It will be so, yeah, I'm not blaming him, but I'm just bringing this in for you to know that some points in nation building, Biano, yeah, no, it be who can't crack. Hey, yeah, say, quite no, say, I'm Kaudaya,
contracted the best.
But the Kaudaya. So, it you, a pity, we sympathize with those are affected. But going forward, and I'm more now, we share, no, but basis is at least. Abutoyem aba anameboa
correct
yes enti hardship kakra na bia inconvenience bi omu go through na ade ya menua yi kan odi kuko wie free SHS and yes yemfa wemra yes if the heads of institutions no are demanding too much enima ense emfata to say obi amfa dash bimra obi amfa wemra no those things na ense emfata na say GS approve those things na the authorities with GS emfa omunan ensifo. But the issue of prospectors there, if you go secondary school now, not prospectors, you talk to many people money at deco.
Okay, kino white shirt, ne?
You money at deco.
Normal.
Eti, no one said bisa who say. Nenye, enye maya, equanimia, headmasters yi efa kuti kwan so ejije de ka ho. Say ya nom na wo ho. E na wo gisa, wo koto sa nyoma nyina na wasan akotua school fees ene akwani school ntaje bi na ya ban di man free a.
Enka di sika de be ko school ko omonje jisa ne ma no
ya no na mo aka ma
ya no mo ho no
enka di sika be ko school ho
ya no mo ho no ya no mo ho
stipends no leases be ko
massa mo under
kaya mom ko to dry land
ayarefo disabled schools were shut down not more than thrice about 5 times under my administration you to me close it down school for the blind school for the deaf school ade anya mobba na ne sa and they will betna ha e was a Ghana for short memories. So now how can this come?
Some de mo say.
Mo de scan kwa ma te close schools ni down no ma be fie. Ana ye ba ye what is your close schools down. Say resources ni kwa you. Ma be fie down. Alternative no mo can any na.
Mo ye alternative. Mo mo say mo di hu ashimu. Ti headmaster for.
Itimi ka enye hu.
Ye mo di hu.
Brand person obi interview no
ko give ataka na. We headmaster now ko give akasha na za ataka. We headmaster now ko give nkwara akasha. Na ndi no person here left and right na ko yase di hu ahwu. Where you were that you do the right thing.
Transfer
be principle.
Transfer is no crime.
Transfer is part of
no crime.
But
the public or transfers in T. Oh, now transfer na yeah normal.
And obia normal reason you shape said nothing transfer. Transfers have been part of a teacher for
teacher headmaster Kasa no na dey transfer na normal.
What is normal? In any case, see you in the DMV
or system
or headmaster and I say Edimotu. So why do you call that a punishment?
From grade A school to grade D school.
Why do you classify grade D?
And no man classification by
grade D.
It is a dirty grade your so-called grade D and you know head on the nipa.
Minister I'm saying grade
on the onye nipa. On the onye nipa.
Minister how
when tna motor school and no so don't na.
When am creating
anyway yes, how finance letter. Yeah. Finance letter now. Or can was I don't know say it true or say the Bromo committee or say the Bromo committee said I am passing the Bromo committee there then I have no doubt say it true. Say it true massa. What is wrong with an institution. So be engage external body, consultant or whatever you call it, out of the budget. Se be hwehwe ye nyuma mu maye. Na yen hwe se bia a service delivery no.
Atosin.
Baby tosin and that baby a ye atosin no yetumi ahemu kina. Na de ye ni yie no so no ya ye ni yie aye ya. That is what these things no corporate world ni other they do it all the time. O person business is successful. That is one key way to go.
Where once standing mango come on you. Okofa once na be feed ya. And there's all the mango ribia na be chiro say the semoba. The point is that a bibia na dey say oh
yes. Yes.
Ana o ade nyina ho kwan. But your timing is very important.
No, me bow. Is it out of do they have approved budget?
No problem.
Do they have?
But I'm saying that
there's a
different budget. Ya shisha to hold that say e brano biano you be twan compare echi through somebody no ultimate you for. That's the budget.
Approved budget. But I'm availability of resources.
That's what I'm saying. That's not adventure
approved budget.
Yeah.
Approved in the face of even limited resources no.
We have things that we do I would never way. But we
approve budget be exactly. There's a difference between say budget no so any actual say cash for and you understand that. To we mukran for you know because na besia. Ana ya ka da be nya besia but e bi kwa na ye
free.
Yes, but is it necessary? Evaluation no
very important.
Is evaluation is he telling me say ye ho akire an na say be ogira no wo ahochim ti no ehunhia so be examine your life.
A bit strange and weird the timing and
there be time ben and be right. Na nya time bi kwa wo akire no
auditor general
auditor general no nya adwuma
who monitor evereluation team
why do you have internal auditors so they be external auditors eba why
e be compliment the effort of the
exactly
yeah the boy Ghana sika kakra na aka no ho ban ne yebo what I say don't can no very beautiful
yes so finance committee class na office
that's so
you see
very beautiful
budget in German minister na wi we approve budget in German na wi ABC wom na minister oh please minister no ko see na what budget na German tongo ma wa betina ade na wo
no
Ghana card
yeah mami fanwe electoral commission said munyina moboa ayem mrahye na ye na electoral commission ene NI edin komo yi because they say sir continuous registration on baba yi o man you see what when you 18 years and above bia na odin register no ye ba be twire odin but electoral commission no dey see eba parliament o person che say this nipa okuta Ghana card nko an no betima twire ni din Ghana card no so me no ka say front page NI owes creditors 117 million. 65 million has to be paid before it can continue to print cards. 18 years. Me card I am printing and farmer. Me some person me kwato aba. What is say when your card na me ntwere wodi. Am for so about 2024 when I catch it all. This year this is level elections about this year. It is a manya 18 am ko gina say yen to me so ba na me kwato aba. Because the menya Ghana card we also ntwere me din. Ghana card no so answer na obeje no a virtual system no and as a guarantor system no e wo ho. Answer on your Ghana card that's the parent document. Na how the obi timi ko gina obi echi e ma ye twere ndi ege Ghana card. Na o kwaji voter ID ni dia o so obi ntimi den and guarantee ma. What kind of arrangement is this? Obi so o say e din na be twere no this head office nkwa na e be esa adwuma no. Now, be before Cabin if you chrome, baby, and send about district office of the electoral commission. Who pays for that cost? And many more did not in the electoral area. Now, I may amount for proximity wise. No, be intimate training.
We are Sabeka cost.
Now, individuals now so all more come for Cabin and some constituency. What I said, I send you a chrome. Obi a him
okrum more offices
assemble dey here pa o
you dey come away
there be na person tia say dey omumie
but they cannot do limited say o jira ha na nipa wo be 10 miles 4 miles whatever we na obi amra hanko abra ye to aba
dey ye call all the centers
there be o man answer question me more offices ana
clearly so
yes
That has been the advocacy of the NDC.
A service provision.
And it's true.
Who deny amount for right to register and vote?
It's true.
Ghana card no through no force of the person no. One man Ghana card. What's this Ghana card that means you true. Ooh, you saw some dubious means behind then. And this a franchise. Say that
dubious. A kind of fashion and papa side.
Because on trim, on say Ghana and Krahankwa, and to say 1 cent a couple be a bit more for taxi truck. But here goes and enter. Moto crop on Adabaqua. Oh, hi, motor Sikasan a bit. No, yes, you can't tell the pension a year investment or the best.
Our system should encourage people to go and register.
Not discourage. Not discourage them.
Exactly.
But you put in impediment to frustrate people.
I totally disagree. I totally disagree.
Make it accessible. Even this year, now no nomination forms. Yes, online. Who shall Chemberry at the Korana? Konakoye, Chesical to mobile money and answer bank card. Who has a full card by this office, by picking a nomination form. These are innovative ways of doing things.
It is in the case of biometric.
Telephone again, biometric.
Quickly on this one.
The electoral commission also send the position on the CI. Said they also Nigeria elections should be fair, transparent, and free from all these things.
Okay.
Because it's a process, you know.
Okay now.
It's a process, you know, and yet because fair to other people. But at the end of the day, no, what did not more right to register and vote? This year, so
okay.
I say, almost say, what's the electoral commission or independent? Yeah, Kasama Ghana for.
That's a Ghana for the Kasama.
Just a question, yeah.
Electoral commission. And this is for how long? Na the Bia and the Papa Bia, the electoral commission,
where, Papa?
I did be about Bia reforms, be about Bia, and this for the
with the high dependent
continuous registration. And yet, mass registration. Continuous registration. I was at now. And then, the Papa Coupe. At the 18 our district form
no about no true
ni achina and obi benya 18 no about true. Can you imagine the cost implications? Say ye ka say ade we ntino e wa bra e bia input and as output said no okay from ministries and from agencies nya ade. It can happen say the whole district ebia for that year if I be 5
10 and 5
and possible
maybe is possible
and possible
in a locality
population size
this is way
now can
18
so mama 18 a 5 you are not being realistic
no
what I say
obi also in a certain locality
obi also na quantity card nkra no oni bi. But what I say, don't zoom on only 18 years.
Yes. So what did that day? I think it's a 10 BRP.
Yeah, election this year, so
10 BRP election. If
assembly election,
I country whatever reason, you know, 1 year. Is it not better than those days? Said this year first those days now can year one-off event in the year. Re-registration, then you one-off event. Now you see you be continuous. You know, and then
Ghana card no need
me 18 years. I say because you say now Ghana card man. Yes. Is it also not a fact? Say, NI boss na ababe chim say ebia ya de kase. By this time
now we are born now for the past 3-4 months ya born Saturday we are our news for
yes
and look he was invasive with some of the conversations yes as he said here can him share man from where the Marco school tech the omuji bia Ghana card and crime registration was a challenge. Yes. Even the banks cry for premium service. When you go to the banks they don't give you the card. Deposit Ghana card.
Exactly.
I'm telling you. The frustrations and elections coming up.
Baby, I say a man equal and say and I'm on Benny between you two because they now get to say Ghana card no they are good and I'm what
complete.
Yes. See, I get to say be a whole as a short for be a bar and my delivery in content man. A whole was a new here. Let's also speed up that process and as the baby my cars are available to those.
And the electoral commission has all changed.
No, it's not possible because
So also the Ghana card never to about the anyone am on to na to sink.
Debbie. O cast your own train, me am catch your Ghana ni. We know ourselves.
As we speak, 3.5 million cars is already down. I am going as we
sakofo ya nso na ebi so e company say
wa baba ku mienu miensa and nine sanka oni sika odi fu ka ba bio.
But before we is shocking, West Africa Examinations Council candidates to assist with investigations into examination irregularities for the 2020-22 year. Namihu schools be City Business Senior High School, Ideal College, La Paz. Omo assisted West Africa is a WIC for investigation. Medina Senior High School. I'm seeing O'Reilly Senior High School. I'm seeing Christian Methodist Senior High School. Arson Senior High School by way. I'm seeing Ideal College. I'm seeing Santa Maria. Adom Senior High Tech. Faith Baptist. Jubilee Senior High School. Springboard College. St. Peter's Mission Senior High School. San Dema Senior High School. Awi Senior High School. Avetime Senior High School. EPC Mauku Girls Senior High School. Adaklu Community Senior High School, Akome Senior High Technical School, Inchumuru Man Pentecost Senior High School, St. John's Senior High School, Sioko. In Quanta Senior High School. Say, women, Omoba assistant. And joke. Listen, Yellow Crobo, Mania Crobo, Akuse, schools.
We know the publication. In fact, why I can see another institution be a brass to take your more. Rather than say 1-2 no more, 8-2. Why should the children suffer because of war inefficiencies? And I'm crying my papers leaky. There be incredible money leaky. It's not like the printing papers. Yamunam printing, Yamunam custody of it, Eden leaky. So I'm an leaky, I didn't crown our cost of.
So in this case, what's I the Ghana Police Service for contractee, University of Cape Coast for Mutual, Chief Inspector, and a leaky. Chroma. Probably that was why. Wow, Jibber, but that's it. Open promotion. 0302 211-701 equals 4. Nipa ba could be the Unya Kwaja the Fema 0302 211-701 equals 4. No to me any yabon common affair. That was also Jibber. Nina, just be positive about Ghana because Achia and Sumuye Kuntuishaya, where they are, we only have this country, this Ghana. Let it be purely positive for Mother Ghana. 0302 211-701 equals 4. Yepe, Onipa Bakubi or Nibe Film. So, for my idea, any year that you want to see, answer. Ajo Mache.
Yeah, Papa,
oh, Yamia do my job, Biana Mequemo.
Many wire. Man, wire any moon and any fifty. Want me and over a said rat of the society. Send out your program, Miss Elsa and Shanka.
I draw a woo. Well, about that, I member of Parliament.
They were over
but I'm also when I'm on the moon in the castle. As I'm not going to say me, I be another moving of personal address. Or before maybe you talk to the person to help you. When I mean, and some it's don't joke with it. You can only say a prayer for Ajua Brand Mame. Whilst Ajua will get the right person to support financially. So I tell you, Intimen kasi we do ayera kwa ya no address
e no we your program
no me program no try so offer me
intended atom
nti ya wu na one no hwehwe member of parliament for na me program
some program bi am offer mo ha ni
asemidika yeah okay so ya damase obi bi waje bra wa hwe bia no na me adom akina so ya another day before me damase pi na me adom e be share koso hwa Adom TV bye.